Welcome to weekly Cardano session. If you're new to these sessions, these are the key areas I'll focus on, and they're based on two main concepts. And also these sessions are for education research purpose only, and also for discussion with the online community here, and not financial advice, so please take note. So let's begin with Cardano. Weekly chart, Wyckoff pattern. We've gone past sign of weakness. This bounce doesn't seem to last too long. Last week I already talked about this purple line, resistance line set by the automatic reaction earlier in December is a key resistance, and this week it seems it doesn't want to touch it as well, the price, so we have somewhat like a cross this week for the candlesticks, and the volume has kind of declined, so it can continue to happen at a narrow range. However, for short term, if there are no particular good or bad news, I think it will still bounce between the purple line and the white line. The white line is basically the top of the long-term playground zone. If we zoom in one level down, the daily chart, again, it's bouncing below the short-term playground zone, or you can say it's bouncing between the short-term and the long-term playground zone. And we have kind of let me change this to yellow. This one may be a bit too long. Let me adjust this so you can see what pattern this looks like. So it's clear, right? It's like a ascending triangle. Ascending triangle, according to textbook, it's a bullish sign. So if it really is successful, what would happen is it will break out of this triangle and come retest this resistance level of the short-term playground zone. So that means if it breaks outside of 81 cents, it can come and test the 87 cents range. That's not too bad. That's roughly about 8% from here, I guess. Why is not allowing me to? Okay, now it works. Oh, it's actually better. It's around 13%, close to 13%. Maybe it's a little bit too low where it started compared to, let's draw again one more time. Yeah, 11-12% roughly. And then once it tested this, if we go back to the Wyckoff, then it can retest this purple line. If I set this to all intervals and then go back and see, yeah, actually the purple line is lower than the bottom of the pink box, so it's actually retesting where the resistance line was set by the automatic reaction before testing the bottom of the pink box. So that's how it looks it will happen. Let's see whether the textbook theory works this time for the candlesticks. I'll make this current interval only so it doesn't appear on the weekly, and then reset this back to current, same. So again, key purple line, if it breaks above, like we talked about this ascending triangle, let's see how long it will last, and then whether it will come down again. It's like it can have a last point of supply similar to here, from sign of weakness go to the last point of supply and then come back down again. So all textbook theories, let's see how it happens. It should be interesting. So that's all for Cardano. See you at the